got some jerky that I'm going to be bringing on trail too. I do sometimes eat store-bought jerky, but I don't like it. It has a bunch of nitrates in it, and usually when you look on the package, the first ingredient is sugar. So I make my own. This is a farm-raised pork roast that I'm going to use for this. I've got this all chopped up in these little thin pieces, and I put it in this marinade first. So this marinade is a little bit of vinegar, a little bit of fresh lemon juice, some garlic, salt, pepper, a little bit of thyme, and some Worcestershire sauce. So I let it sit in there for about 15 or 20 minutes, and then I lay it flat on this grate, and then I'm going to put it in the dehydrator, and it's going to be tasty. So I take this pork and I just real thin slice it like this. I want to get it as thin as you can, and I cut the fat and as much of the connective tissue off as I can. You just got to be careful that you don't cut yourself, but you want to use a super sharp knife because that's what gets these nice thin pieces of meat. Got this meat mallet, so I'll give it a little bit of a whack, schnitzel it up, and then use a flat side on these thicker edges. I want this as thin as possible. I want all the pieces to be as even as possible in terms of the thickness. And I got a nice little thin piece, and I just stick it in the drink there. Let it marinate for a little while. Ooh, nice little thin, even cuts of meat. Oh, almost done. So this whole pork roast is going to produce 2 trays. Got one, I got 2 trays. So what I'm going to do here, we're going to press the start button. We're going to crank up this temperature. I'm going to bring this temperature to 160, which is the safe internal temperature for pork. So leave it at 160 for 2 hours. And then once it gets to 160 degrees Fahrenheit, I'm going to switch it to dehydrate, and I'm going to drop that down to about 135 degrees for about 3.5 hours, and then I'll check it. Might need another hour and a half or so. It's going to be tasty. So this is the final product here. This is an entire pork roast made into jerky. Hey. That stuff's good. Now, if you guys want to see some of my favorite jerky recipes, I want you to click right over here, and I'll see you guys over on that video.